Alright guys, we got a 2019 Scat Pack slim body over here. Just came in and got a Corsa Touring system put on here. He already had headers installed, so it's a little bit louder than your normal 392. And with this Corsa system, he got these 4.5-inch chrome tips, kind of looking sick, kind of matching the car, you know, giving it a little sleeper vibe. Not going too crazy with the tips, but they still look clean. You see that Corsa logo right on the top. Listen to this idle right now. Sounds really good. Another upgrade he can do to this car is go with an air intake and a pedal commander as well. We do sell those parts at Gexhaust.com, or you can pull up to the shop at Gexhaust Davie or Gexhaust Oakland to get any parts you want for your vehicle, exhaust wise and air intake wise. But these cars, man, if you do the right thing to them, you can get like 150 horsepower out of them easy. You do have to do a tune and then, you know, do all that extra stuff, but these things can move. So let's hear the inside drone. He does have headers, but this is the Corsa Touring system. I'm gonna see how bad it is on the inside. It's actually not that bad. I'm gonna give it a few revs. Nice. That's with the window down right there, if you can see. Let you know this is at around 3,000 RPMs. Not bad. Like I said, if you guys want a Corsa system or a boreless system or an AWE system for your Scat Pack, your Hellcat, anything you're looking for, pull up to Gexhaust or go to Gexhaust.com. We can help you with anything. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow us on all the platforms and hit the links in the description. Gexhaust out.